She lets people. She looks people in the eyes when she talks to somebody else, which I really appreciated. It makes her look so honest and very kind and sensitive.
When she feels blue, she looks people directly in the eyes, like she could find the hidden
She has
truth.
light brown eyes that get lighter under the sun and darker in dark places.
She doesn't smile love, but when she does, she means it. She has a dimple when she smiles.
She's average height, very thin.
She is white. She is quite pale, and her eyes are sometimes hazel, sometimes green. Some people say that it depends on her mood, but I think she thinks it depends on the light.
Well, for a pure Mexican margarita, you have to know how to make it. The biggest mistake people make with their margaritas is that they use too many ingredients, like triple sec, Grand Marnier, or Cointreau. It's all about the balance of sweet and tart in a glass with just a few ingredients. 100% agave tequila from Mexico would be the best choice.
And I'm sort of wondering when do I tell her? Do I wait until things are serious, in which case it's almost like she's trapped into
I might be a
situation,
kind of boring
away?
person because I don't have much to confess. But I do have a couple of
I've seen
secrets.
pictures of the site now, and it was just literally burnt to the ground. She struggles with it every day, I think.
About a year ago, actually, a little over a year ago, I was in quite a bad car accident.
The landscape in Teesside, where she grew up, stays very much in her memory. She would often go with her grandma to have picnics at Southgate.
I can clearly remember standing on the edge, on the shore of a beautiful blue sea, on pebbles, and the feel and the sound of the pebbles rolling and moving under my feet as the waves very gently lapped at the shore. I was just standing on the edge of the water, which was very warm, and it was very blue and very warm, and just standing there on the edge of things, and the world was behind me, and just in front of me was this beautiful blue water and blue sky, and just I've always remembered that.
She's done lots of different kinds of shitty jobs.
Experienced so much forced jollity and teamwork in my entire life.
I've done many shitty jobs. I wouldn't say I've done anything that made me feel uncomfortable or unsettled, but I've certainly done jobs that forced me to wonder about the very purpose of my existence.
Hair and pubes out of the grills.
I remember being at the top of the Atlas Mountains in Morocco, and it was pitch black, and the view was just amazing. But the only thing I could think about was that I was on my own, and that I just wanted to share the experience with someone.
I think the most beautiful landscape I've ever seen it's been in New Zealand, and there's something about the light, and everything's just so clear and almost hyper real, really. It's absolutely stunning. And I remember stopping by a lake on the South Island.
Margarita's taken a cruise ship once in her life from Seattle to Alaska and through Glacier Bay. Of course, Alaska was beautiful. It was the first time she'd ever taken a vacation to somewhere cold.
But Margarita told me that she loved it because of something else, something mechanical. She loved the fact that the ship
was in perpetual motion. She was always on her way somewhere, so she never lost any time. When she was eating, when she was sleeping, when she was doing all the
I remember from many years ago walking along the top of the Brecon Beacons on the day after New Year's Day, and it was a really crisp, cold winter's day, and the sun had been out brightly all day, and I can remember it just as it was going down, just as the sun was sinking and we were losing